so just to be clear, we're doing we're focusing on the WhatsApp on the phone. I have a tablet, so I can follow along a little bit with you.
WhatsApp?
Yes, so if you open your WhatsApp page, does everybody already have it installed on their phone?
Yeah.
Okay, we're just going to go through how to install it just in case somebody doesn't have it.
Oh, I see. So if you already have it, you don't need to do anything right now, right?
Yeah, you don't have to do anything. So when you pull up the app on your phone, you press agree and continue on the phone, you see here. And I'm going to show you a little clip. Okay, so you press agree and continue, and they will ask you to select your country. So we live in Canada, so you select Canada. Okay, and then you put in your phone number. You're with your area code, so 403, and then your 7-digit phone number, and that should sign you up for WhatsApp. Then you want to put your name and a profile picture on there.
Okay, oh my goodness, what happened?
If you get I think you will get a verification number sent to your phone if you haven't already downloaded the app, and all you have to do is just copy and paste the verification number onto the screen, and it should open WhatsApp for you. Okay, so the next slide, new conversations. So you can add your friends who are already using WhatsApp to your WhatsApp account, okay? So to start the conversation, you want to press the little bubble here. You see the little text bubble? Can everybody see this?
Yeah.
Lucy, you look confused. Can you see this?
Yeah.
How about?
Nope, I can see it. Nope. There's no
Where?
that button.
Where? I could see it.
Okay.
Right over there. Right over there. Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
So I'll show you my tablet. It's pretty big. So this is the main page of WhatsApp for my tablet, and you can see the little bubble. It's not very clear. Does everybody have it?
Yeah.
What? I couldn't find that.
What page is what are you on? Nathan, what is she on?
What is I'm on?
Lift your phone higher so like we can see the whole thing. Yeah. So in the bottom left right of the screen, there's like a green bubble. Yeah, that's the button. Yeah. And then so that'll pull up your contacts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so pull up your contacts, and then you can add your contacts to your WhatsApp and send them an invite. Okay. So do you have friends on your WhatsApp already, Patina?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Lucy, you got lots of friends?
Yeah.
Good. Sue, you have lots of friends on there?
Yeah.
That's perfect. Okay, and that's Apple. I don't want to go to that. Okay, now let's say you have lots of friends on that app and you want to put them all into like a group because you don't want to text everybody all separately, okay? So you can make a group of friends, put a group of friends together, okay? So does everybody see the 3 little dots at the top of their phone here?
Yes.
Yes, who said yes? Okay, so if you tap on that, it'll pull up, it will drop down a menu and it will have the option to start a new group. Okay? You can select the friends that you want to add to this group. So select 4 of your closest friends and then add them to a group together. So add them. I actually don't have any groups on here. Nathan, do you press like a button, or like do you like add them? How do you add them?
Let me check right now. I have it.
I'm depending heavily on you, buddy.
Oh yeah, you just click new group. So yeah, at the when you click the bottom right button, your contact list will be pulled up, right? But at the very top, it says new group. So if you want to create a group chat with multiple people, you just tap new group, and then you can select who you want to be in that group. And then their names will pop up at the top. So I can select like multiple people, and they'll all show up at the very top. And then you can just create a group like that.
Yeah.
So say if you want to do it with your family, you can have maybe all your family members in one group chat.
Okay.
I
Yes,
have a
Sue.
question.
Hi, Sue.
Hi. Is there any limit on that group?
Don't think so.
I don't
Numbers
think
of people.
No, I don't think so.
No.
it's probably
Oh,
like
okay.
a lot. You don't have to worry.
Sue is very popular. Sue has
Yeah.
many friends. She has like 20 friends on a chat.
Okay.
Maybe you can add me. I can talk to you. Okay, Sue?
Okay. So is that you have to set up, you have to have the numbers in your chat first
Yes.
before you can
Yes.
do it. Okay.
Yeah. So you have to add the people, and then you can add them to a new group.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
All right, Lucy. Any questions, Lucy?
No, I got it. It's on there.
Patina, you good?
Yeah, I'm
okay.
all Chinese. Then now I want to find out English because I changed the Chinese already.
Okay. Let's see. Who said it there? Darpool. How do you change Chinese to English? Someone help.
Probably you can go to the setting,
Like the language on the app?
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. Okay.
You can follow along then? You're good?
Yes, I understand that.
Okay, do all of the translating in your mind. Yes, Sue.
Okay.
Oh, I just want to say, I know her.
You know me?
They said
No. Sue is my cousin, my sister.
Oh, okay. I was like, I know you, you know me. Okay.
Okay.
No, she know me.
Okay, that's fine.
你寫低點樣去做，你一陣間自己做。
Okay. I
Okay.
know.
咁
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, I'm real slow. I'm not very good at this timing. Okay. So if you want to start a conversation, to chat, you can press this.
Okay.
Ugh,
Yeah.
this- I don't know
I
what
got
it
it.
is on here. This button here, I guess, on the Android. And so you can see your friends group here afterwards. It's at the top there.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we make a group, it will be called the English Tech group, and then you can see at the top here if you add us all into that group. Okay. All right.
Wait, who was having problems with the they wanted to change the WhatsApp to English?
That would be Patina.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I understand.
Nathan, you want to help?
Yeah, just like if you want to change it, you have to go into your system settings. So I could walk you through that maybe later, or if you want to do it now, we could do it now.
Yeah, do it later.
Okay, yeah.
That's fine.
Hi, Coco.
I'm just jumping in and out in groups
Hello. All right.
to check with you guys.
Okay. Okay, so if you tap on that group or tap on a chat, you'll try to make conversation with the other person, right? So you can type a message here. So if you tap there, and you can send a message that way, okay? You can say hello. Where am I going? Okay. Now you can also send media, so you can send pictures, you can send documents, you can send videos from, if you click that thing right there, the little paper clip. Okay, so if you click on it, Patina, do you
Go to where? Go to where? Go to here. The friend.
Yeah, just click on a friend's name. So I have Cindy, okay, and then I just tap on the little paper clip, and you should pop up with all these options here. Now, on the app, you could also call people, okay? So you see the little telephone here. If you press that, you can call somebody. call your
Okay.
friend that you have on your contacts list.
Yeah. I
Okay.
got it. Yeah.
I think you have to be connected to the internet in order to make a call. So just be aware of that, I think. Okay. And you can also start a video with your friend. Okay.
You?
So if you click on the video, don't put it up to your ear because people can see your inside of your ear. So click on the telephone, the little phone. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in chat, when you send a message to your friend, okay, there's a couple things you can do to that message. So if you send a message, say you send hi, then you can tap and hold on that message on the telephone, on your cell phone, and 3 options will pop up at the top. You see here?
Yeah.
So if you click the little arrow, you will reply directly to that message. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
If you click on the star, it will save that message in a different folder so that afterwards, if it's important information like an address or phone number or location, it will be saved and you can access that information easier later on. Okay? And if you click on the trash can, you don't like that message and you want to get rid of it, so you just throw it away. Okay?
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Perfect.
This is on
Questions?
chat. This is on chat, so it is actually an iPhone, not an Android, right?
This is a.
What you just show us about on the chat information, that is on iPhone, Apple. It's not Android, right?
It
No, it
was.
is
also in Android.
This is on.
It is on Android. Who's talking?
Yeah, it is also in Android, not only in the iPhone.
Elaine asking because I have an Android, I have a Samsung.
Ah, okay.
But
Hello,
what
Elaine.
you're talking about is on an iPhone functions, right? Because you have 2 screens already on. One is on Android, the other one is on iPad, on Apple. But then you're only showing the right side of the screen or the left side of the screen. So now you are on Android right now on the screen, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, how about just now you're talking about chat. Chat is Apple, right?
So both Android and Apple have chat function.
Oh, okay.
So their function is like, it's the same. They're the same. They
Okay,
have the
all
same
right.
function. It's just that some of the logo or like some of the placement in the app is
Okay.
a little different. That's why we post both Android and Apple for you guys.
Okay, all right.
So you can like, if you're on Android, usually you see 3 dots on your right top corner. But then if it is an Apple phone or an iPhone, then you usually don't see the 3 dots, but another icon.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry to jump in.
Thank you for jumping in. I appreciate you so
Oh,
much.
sorry to interrupt.
Oh no, I love it. Please ask questions. I love when you ask questions. I have a lot of volunteers that can help me, so I'm good. Okay. So where are we now? So you can check out your group information. So if let's say you have a group of people in a chat and you want to check out the information of all those people. Okay, so if you click on in the chat, if you tap on the little dots at the top, a little drop-down menu will appear, and you can click on group information to find out, who's in your group, if it's really big, and all that information will pop up for you. So you see, if you look at it here, so this is the MPC group chat, I suppose. You can add a group description, and down here you'll see the people that are actually in your group. 4 participants in this one. You can't really see it on this screen for some reason, but okay. Yes. Any questions about that?
Okay.
You're okay? Okay. And you can also see all the media and all the documents and stuff that you sent to the group here.
But this the no, my phone is different.
How come
So
you don't
go-
show the screen for the
go-
iPhone? Because
iPhone.
then I can't correspond to what the Android is.
Angela, is that you talking?
No, I have an iPhone, so when you show the screen, it's not corresponding to what I see.
Yeah, yeah. I cannot see anything on that.
So I think I'm teaching the Android group.
Now, also
yeah.
you not, iPhone is another group.
Yeah, I think so. Because I was only
Can you put me back to the iPhone then? Because what you're showing on the screen is not corresponding to whatever on my phone. So it's no point for me to stay here.
Okay. Can you exit this chat and go back to the main room?
Okay. Go
I'm
back
on my
to
iPhone too.
Everyone's on iPhone?
Yeah, I got iPhone too.
Yeah, because before you have Android and iPhone side by side,
Yeah,
right?
it works
But now
well
you
for me.
Nathan, did you have this similar issue where you had both iPhone and Android? I was only instructed to teach Android.
No, yeah, I was only doing Android.
Yeah, this is an
Okay.
Android class.
Okay, that's why I'm signing off then.
Oh. Hello, I'm on iPhone too.
They should
Okay,
be somewhat similar, I think, though.
It is similar, but if they can't follow along, it might not be great for them to stay. Bye,
Okay.
Lucy.
So I have to go. Hi, I'm on iPhone too. So I'm not.
That's okay. Thank you.
So I have to go, right? Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Excuse
thank
me,
you.
because I thought on your screen on the right side
Mm-hmm.
is the iPhone screen, and then on the left side is the Android. I thought you had both because I can only relay, because I have an Android, I relay my screen to your left side. And then now, of course, you have only one screen on the left side, the right side is gone. So the right side people have already gone then.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it seems like, I think I'm only teaching Android, unfortunately.
that's
There's
good.
another class that will teach the iPhone.
Okay, that's good. It fits me.
All right, thank you.
Mm.
Okay, so now if you want to check out your friends, individual friends' information, you can also check that out on the phone. So if you click on your friend's name, it should pull up their profile here, and you click on their name. Oops, their name. And
this I think is the, so I think what it's doing is on some pages it shows Apple and Android side by side. On other pages, I think it shows Android separately, and then on the next one it shows Apple. So for example, the one you're showing right now is exactly the same as what's on the Android, but this is the Apple version.
That's confusing.
See, look at the logo on the left.
Yeah, this is Apple.
This is Apple.
Yeah.
It's getting
I
kind
think
of
it's just
confusing.
switching from one side to another, so it's confusing.
Yeah, it is really confusing. Okay, so
On the left end where it says group chat info, you see the little Apple logo. That's where it's telling you which operating system it's using. But on the previous page, it showed the Android logo.
okay, so this is, I could just probably skip this then. Okay, so we're going to do a search in one of the conversations. So let's say you have a group chat or an individual chat and you want to search up some information that was already there. So let's say somebody sent over an address and you need to find it, but you didn't save that information. So you can actually search the conversation using this search option here and type in what you need, and it will show up.
Okay. Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah, so you can search up a date, you can search up an address, you can search up your friend's name, and all of the conversations you have with that friend will pop up.
Okay, that's good, because I was searching something this morning and I have to go down top to bottom, can't find it. Okay.
I know, me too. That happens to me all the time.
Yeah.
So if you go to the three little dots, it should pop down and you can search for what you need. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Perfect. Any other questions? Okay, so back on the same 3 dots here. Underneath of search, you see mute notifications. Now, let's say you have way too many chats because you're very popular and you're going into something important, or there's just too much talking and you're getting distracted. You can actually mute the notifications. So it will mute all the sounds and mute conversation so that you're not bothered by it. Then after you can go and unmute it so that you can get all the notification sounds back again.
Oh, okay.
So are you looking at that screen, Sue? The mute notifications? Perfect.
Yeah, I found it.
Patina, you're looking at that?
No, I couldn't find them. See, I saw the English, the Chinese in here. I couldn't change.
Oh, it's okay. I'll get somebody to help
Maybe
you
later,
afterwards.
yeah,
Yeah,
later,
okay.
later, yeah.
Who else is here? Oh, that's okay. Okay, so if you press on it, you can actually mute the conversation for quite a long time, it looks like. You can mute it for 8 hours. You can mute it for 1 week. And if you really don't like the people, you can mute it for 1 year, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. Now, if you really don't want to be in that group anymore, there's just too many people or whatever, you can actually, underneath of mute and underneath of wallpaper, there's a more, and you can exit the group. So leave the group. Okay. And there's also a clear the chat option. Now, Lydia, clear the chat. Does that mean you just get rid of all of the texts that were previously sent?
I think so. I don't really use WhatsApp, but like I think that's what it pretty much is. You're like clearing the data inside the chat.
That's perfect. Okay, so it just gets rid of all the texts beforehand, like before that you've got before, okay? Questions?
What do I have to do? Like, if I have a group chat and I don't want to participate that, what to it and just exit it out from my part. How do I do that?
You want to exit?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Oh.
Hold on, let me go back to that slide. Okay, so you can either mute it, so you can mute it for a year, which I don't know why anyone would do that, but you can also go down to more. So if you underneath of mute and you see more here, if you click on that, you can see exit.
And so the other part will know that I'm get out of there, right?
People will know, I think, yeah. People will know that you left.
Oh, do they?
Yeah, I think the notification will pop up and be like, Sue left the chat. So.
Oh, okay. So I better not do that.
you can mute them. You can mute them for a year.
Oh, okay. So the other party would not know that I'm left. I don't want to see it, right?
Yeah, you can just mute them for a year, and then after a year, mute them again.
Oh, okay.
They'll never know. They'll never know. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right.
Is that something good to teach? I don't know, but yes, I think. Yes, that's
I don't know why that option is there. That's hilarious.
So even though you mute the notification on your side, your other group members won't know about it. So you can just mute it.
So they won't get so angry. Oh, by the way, Coco, Patina, she needs help afterwards to change the settings from Chinese to English.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, so let's look at the WhatsApp settings. So if you go back to the main page, you see all of your chats here, right?
Yeah.
Mom's chat, Jack. If you go to these 3 little dots up here and you tap them, what will happen is you'll see all of these settings. So you can see here that you can make a new group here. on these the setting area. You can also do a new broadcast here. So new broadcast is interesting. So what you do is you click on it and then you select all the people that you want to, share some really good news with. Let's just say you got married or you had a baby or something and you want everyone to know. So you press a new broadcast and you click everyone, you add everyone, you share all this great information with everybody.
What is the difference between a new group and new broadcast?
That's a good question, Nathan.
Well, to me, when you are saying, I thought it would be the same thing because you are saying one message to all different people, right?
Yeah, so a new group is like, it's the same as what we did earlier when you started a new chat and then added people to the group conversation. So that's a new group. So
yeah. Okay.
And then new broadcast is basically just a message. I to my understanding, I'm not really sure what a broadcast is.
Okay.
But I think a broadcast just sends like one message, whereas a group allows you guys to like communicate within like a group chat. But a broadcast is just like you send it individually to each person.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think they can communicate with each other in a new broadcast.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So it's just like a big announcement and then it's done.
I was just looking it up. WhatsApp broadcasts are lists of recipients you can send regular messages to. While this may seem similar to a WhatsApp group, the major difference is that people cannot see other people in the same broadcast list, making it more safe and secure.
Oh, okay.
Are you sending to multiple people and you don't want them to see each other? You can do it through a broadcast. Whereas if there's a group, everybody can see everybody else.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thanks, Ryan. Okay, now back to this drop-down menu. So we've discussed the new group, new broadcast. Then there's the start messenger. So before, remember when I was talking about pressing and holding on the conversation and it pop up with the arrow and the little star and the garbage can? Now, if you want to check all of the message that you actually saved and start and favorited, you can actually just click here and all the messages that you saved are actually in this folder.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can go back and find them very quickly.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to the WhatsApp settings. So if you go back to those three little dots, underneath the start messages, there's the settings. Okay, if you click on that, it will go to your settings, like all the information you put into your phone. Okay, so this is Coco's. There's her awesome picture. You can check your account information. You can check your chat information. Okay, so if you look here, for your chats, you can do certain things with your chat. So you can, if you click on theme here, you can modify and customize your chats to your friends. So if you click on theme, you can change the background of your phone. So it can go from light to dark. Okay, so usually I use the light background for the daytime, and then I'll change it to the dark mode for nighttime. It's easier on your eyes.
Okay.
And then you can also choose a wallpaper. This is really fun because you can take a picture from your phone and use it as a wallpaper. So maybe like your kids or your grandchildren or your dog. And you can also choose like a different color. So my background is pink because my favorite color is pink. Okay. Anything to add here, anybody? No, everyone's shaking their head. Okay.
I've got one thing that I'll mention on this one is the font size. So if you have a hard time seeing the screen, you can actually change the font size to a larger font. That's just under chat settings.
Oh yeah, right there. So if you need glasses and like it's hard to read, If you tap on the font size, you can change it from small to medium to large. So my mom and dad use large font. Okay. So the media auto download. Okay, Ryan, this is yours.
So one of the other options in your settings is something called data and storage usage. So what this is understanding how much data you've actually used through the WhatsApp program. So all of you will be accessing WhatsApp either through data or through Wi-Fi. So connected to like LTE or connected to something like your home network. With WhatsApp, it may not always be a good idea to download everything when you're connected through cell phone data, because you may have a limit on how much data you can actually use. So under the data and storage usage option, you can actually go in and limit how much you can do on a particular, under a particular media. So for example, if you are connected to mobile versus connected to Wi-Fi, you can change it so that if you're connected to Wi-Fi, it'll automatically download things like pictures or files or whatnot. But you may not necessarily want that if you're connected to data. So if you're connected to data, you may have to accept the document instead of it automatically downloading. This can be good because again, if your friend is sending you a large file and you don't have a lot of data, you may want to wait till later to be able to download it. Whereas if you're on Wi-Fi, it may not matter. So you could set it to automatically download. You also have an ability to do this while roaming as well. So if you're in another country, although I would suggest keeping this as no media when roaming so that you don't accidentally go over how much data you've been given. Does that make sense for this part?
Yeah.
Does anybody have any questions for this part? Cool. So yeah, on Coco's phone right now, it's set as no media when using mobile data, no media when using Wi-Fi, and no media when roaming. So all that means is everything that one of her friends sends or one of her chats sends, she has to click on for it to download. Nothing will automatically download for her. So if somebody sends her a picture, it'll pop up with a little message saying, this person wants to send you a picture, do you accept? And then you actually have to accept it. Whereas if it was turned to automatically download, the picture would just show up in the chat room.
Okay.
I think that's the end